Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is GameDev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity.
Overseas, yeah, we trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love just to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all.
People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach and would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning, where is the love?
You got to show me love. You got to show me love. You got to show me love.
Where is the love?
You got to show me love. You got to show me love. You got to show me love.
Where is the love?
Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now.
Dance, everybody just clap your hands. Let me see y'all dance.
Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now.
Dance, everybody just clap your hands. Let me see y'all dance. Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Instead of spreading love, we're spreading animosity. Lack of understanding leading us away from unity. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling down. It's no wonder why sometimes I'm feeling under. Gotta keep my faith alive till love is found.
People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, send some guidance from above. People got me questioning, where is the love?
You got to show me love. You got to show me love. You got to show me love.
Where is the love?
You got to show me love. You got to show me love. You got to show me love.
Where is the love?
Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now.
Dance, everybody just clap your hands. Let me see y'all
Got
dance.
me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now.
Dance, everybody just clap your hands. Let me see y'all dance.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves. And everybody's watching her, but she's looking at but she's looking at we go fast to can replay. Who knows what's gotta be this way? We play. We say nothing more than we need. Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves.
sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low? So take a deep breath and let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. And I hope you know I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline. 'Cause we all get lost sometimes, you know. It's how we learn and how we grow. If I wanna lay with you till I'm old, shouldn't be fighting on your own. 'Cause we all get lost sometimes, you know. It's how we learn and how we grow. If I wanna lay with you till I'm old, shouldn't be fighting on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And all the time may take us into different places, I will still be patient for you. And I hope you know I won't let go. Let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is colder? Will I have a lot of children who can warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.